In today's video, I am going to talk about is there a sexual difference between male or female after concussion injury? If I say conclusion, yes, there is difference between male brain and female brain, and it's important to know to manage for concussion rehab. Let me talk about a little bit about physiology of male brain and female brain. I'm going to talk about how male brain and female brain communicate. Male brain tendency is it is good to do communication for anterior posterior way. This is left brain, left hemisphere. Male brain, it's good to do communication in one hemisphere and anterior posterior way. For right brain, yep, it's good to communicate anterior posterior way. But it doesn't mean male brain cannot communicate side to side. Yes, it can do this. It can do side-to-side communication, but anterior posterior communication is better in male brain. This is tendency, okay? How about female brain? Female brain is good to do side-to-side communication. Left brain to right brain, right to left brain. But for female, it's not that good for anterior posterior communication. For male brain, it's good to do anterior posterior communication. Not much for side-to-side communication. For female, it's good to do side-to-side communication, but not much for anterior posterior communication. Okay, this is tendency. Well, why is this important to manage, prolonged chronic concussion? Here is the thing. I remove right hemisphere and you see deep structure right here. This is called corpus callosum. Corpus callosum is bridge between left hemisphere and right hemisphere. Imagine right brain here and corpus callosum is here. Corpus callosum is like a bridge between left hemisphere and right hemisphere. Okay? Then here is an interesting thing. After concussion, corpus callosum is one of the most common places to get damage after concussion. By the way, other places are like hippocampus and thalamus and brainstem. Corpus callosum is one of the common places. Now, what can I say? I said female brain is good to do side-to-side communication. Oh my gosh, what is there? There's corpus callosum. This is bridge between left brain and right brain. Then I said corpus callosum is one of the most common places to get damage from concussion. Oh my goodness. Here's a question. Which one tends to get more prolonged symptom, chronic symptom after concussion? Is that male or female? It's female. Female tend to have longer period to recover from concussion. Why is that? Because there's corpus callosum. Female is good to do side-to-side communication. Function of corpus callosum is bridge between left hemisphere, right hemisphere to, give information for left brain and right brain. Of course, there are various reasons, various factors to think about concussion. Concussion is very broad sense, very broad symptom. It's very deep symptom to understand brain function. So this is one factor to analyze or manage prolonged concussion. I have to emphasize, this is not the only one cause to distinguish male brain and female brain and concussion management. I hope today's video gives, tip to manage prolonged concussion. If you liked today's video, please hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. See you next video.